In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Dashlane, and it's a straightforward process that you can complete in just under 5 minutes. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like to use. Once it's open, head over to the search bar and type in Dashlane. Hit Enter, and you'll see several results popping up immediately. Your task is to look for Dashlane's official page in these search results. Typically, it'll be the first result you see. If not, then search for the URL that includes dashlane.com. Click on this link to proceed. Once you're on the Dashlane homepage, your next step is to locate the Login button. You'll usually find it somewhere at the top right corner of the screen. It's hard to miss. Click on the Login button, and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Go ahead and enter your email address and password associated with your Dashlane account, then log in. Great! Now that you've logged in successfully, the next step involves accessing your account settings. Look for an option labeled My Account, which is often found in the menu or dashboard of Dashlane. Click on My Account, and from there, navigate to the Settings section. In the Settings menu, your next destination is the Help Center. Click on it to proceed further. This is usually where the language settings hide out, so it's an essential step in our journey today. Now, once you're in the Help Center, you'll want to keep an eye out for the Language Selection menu. It's usually positioned right at the top of the page, making it easier to access. The menu typically presents you with several language options you can choose from, and we're almost there. All you need to do now is decide which language you wish to switch to. Locate your desired language from the list provided in the Language Selection menu. This could be anything from English, French, Spanish, or any other language they offer. Once you've identified it, click on the language of your choice. And that's it! You have successfully changed the language settings in your Dashlane account. As you can see, it's a quick and painless process, taking only a few moments of your time. Now you can navigate Dashlane in the language that suits you best. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day using Dashlane.